Hi friends, welcome back to SPK English Academy. In today's class, I will discuss with you UGC NTA NET or SET English Literature Mock Test 4. So this test is consisted of 20 questions. So these 20 questions are very important question for the exam point of view, and many of these questions are previously asked questions. See, test number 4. See the first question. Beauty is truth. Truth beauty is line from. In which poem do you find this line? You can guess. The options are like this. See, Endymion, Ode to the West Wind, Ode to the Grecianer, Tintern Abbey. The right answer is Ode to the West Wind. Next question number 2. The Confessions of an Opium Eater, published in 1821, was written by. C. Options are S.T. Coleridge, Robert Southey, Lord Byron, Thomas Dick Quincey. The right answer, Thomas Dick Quincey. See, Thomas Dick Quincey, the most important essayist of English literature. Next question. Maggie Tulliver is a central character in. Options: Mill and the Flowers, Pride and Prejudice, Wuthering Heights, Far from the Madding Crowd. The right answer, Mill and the Flowers. It is a novel by George Eliot. See, the protagonist of the novel Sons and Lovers is. See, Sons and Lover is the most important modern novelist, psychological novel written by D.H. Lawrence. So the central character of this novel is Stephen Dedalus, Paul Morrell, Leopold Bloom, William Morrell. Guess the answer? The right answer is Paul Morrell. Paul Morrell is the protagonist of the novel Sons and Lovers of D.H. Lawrence. Question number 5. What is the subtitle of Hardy's Test of the D'Urbervilles? Options: Virtue Rewarded, Mistake of a Night, A Pure Woman, A Tragedy, Comedy. You know that 4 options are given here. You have to remember Virtue Rewarded. This is the subtitle of a novel Femina, epistolary novel written by Samuel Richardson, 18th century novel. A Mistake of a Night. This is also 18th century novel written by Goldsmith. A Mistake of a Night is the subtitle of She Stoops to Conquer. And A Tragic Comedy, it is the subtitle of Waiting for Godot. So the remaining answer is C. That is A Pure Woman is the right answer here. Pure Woman is the subtitle of Hardy's novel Tess of the Urbervilles. Fern Hill is a poem of childhood memories by who is the poet of this poem? See, mainly Fern Hill is the contemporary poem written by contemporary great poet. The author of this, the poet of this poem is also one of the moment poets. Guess here options are Dylan Thomas, Philip Larkin, Ted Hughes, W.H. Auden. So right answer is Dylan Thomas. See, 1984. 1984 is a dystopian novel written by options are George Orwell, Anthony Powell, D.H. Lawrence, Graham Greene. See, dystopia novel is the new kind of novel. In this novel, the protagonist of the novel or the central character of the novel is tortured, oppressed. So that is dystopian novel. The author of this novel is, the right answer is George Orwell. See, George Orwell is the great modern novelist. His another one novel is Animal Farm, the famous novel. Next question, question number 8. In which novel a character dies saying the words the horror, the horror? So it is one of the nihilistic novel. See, four options are here. The Lord of the Flies, The Power and the Glory, Sons and Lovers, Heart of Darkness. Lord of the Flies, William Golding's novel, and also Sons and Lovers, D.S. Lawrence. See, Heart of Darkness is written by Joseph Conrad, one of the African novelist, modern great novel. The right answer is The Heart of the Darkness. In The Heart of the Darkness, the character Hudge said at the end of this novel, the horror to his friend Marlowe. See, Heart of the Darkness is one of the important English classics of modern age modern novel. Next question. The first regular English tragedy was Titus and Andronicus, Gorboduc, the Spanish tragedy, Cumberland. See, just see, Titus and Andronicus is a comedy written by William Shakespeare. See, Gorboduc is the first regular comedy written by Thomas Sackville and Norton. See, the Spanish tragedy written by written by that is Spanish tragedy. Thomas Kidd. Cumberland is the epic. This is considered as epic that is written by Christopher Marlowe. The right answer is Gorboduc. Gorboduc is the first regular English comedy. The subtitle of Gorboduc is Forex and Forex. Which of the first pilgrims to come to the Tabard Inn? You know, Tabard Inn is very popular. It comes in Geoffrey Chaucer's The Great Work, Canterbury Tales. See, the five guildsmen, the knight, the squire, and the yeoman, the pardoner and the summoner, the plowman and the parson. Which of this group of pilgrims reached the Tabard Inn first? See, the right answer is the knight, the squire, and yeoman. This group of pilgrims reached Tabard Inn at first. Next question. The heroic couplet was used for the first time in The Book of the Duchess, Troilus and Cressida, Parliament of Fowls, The Legend of Good Women. You know, these four works are written by Geoffrey Chaucer, the father of English poetry. See, the right answer is The Legend of Good Woman. In the Legend of Good Woman, Chaucer used for the first time heroic couplet. Question number 12. In which language was John Gower's Speculum Meditantis written? Four are here. Italian, Latin, French, English. Guess the answer. The right answer is French. What is the worst medium of Milton's Paradise Lost? Paradise Lost is most important and Puritan is work written by Milton. It is one of the English epics considered as C. Heroic couplet, quatrains, the Spenser in stanza, blank verse. Which is the right answer? In which verse medium Milton's Paradise Lost is written? See, right answer, blank verse. See, Utopia was first published in English in the year. See, Utopia is the opposite of that of dystopia. Utopia is a state of happiness. Dystopia, it is full of sorrowness, sadness. See, 1551, 1557, 1571, 1584. Guess the answer. See, first time that Utopia was published in English in the year 1551. Question number 15. Under what name does Dryden speak in the essay of dramatic poesy or the essay of dramatic poesy? See, essay of dramatic poesy is the great critical work of John Dryden. Answers are Eugenius, Critias, Lycidas, Neander. So these are the four characters comes in this dramatic poesy, critical work of Dryden. See, Neander. See, under Neander name, Dryden spoke in the essay of dramatic poesy. Question number 16. The topographical poem Cooper's Hill, which was published in 1642, was written by John Denham, Abraham Cowley, George Herbert, Richard Lawless. John Denham. Who wrote the famous line, God made the country and the man made the town? See answers. William Blake, William Cooper, William Collins, William Wordsworth. See, William Cooper is the right answer. William Cooper wrote the famous line, man made the country and the man, sorry, God made the country and man made the town. 18. In which poem do you find the line, the paths of glory lead to the grave? Which poem do you find this line? See, the poems are The Prelude, Ancient Mariner, Elsie written in a country churchyard, Ode to Duty. The Prelude is written by William Wordsworth. It is great work. Ancient Mariner is a work written by S.T. Coleridge. Elsie written in a country churchyard is by Thomas Gray. Ode to Duty is also by Thomas Gray. The right answer is Elsie written in a country churchyard. In this poem, the paths of glory lead to the grave is written. See, who called Milton the poetical son of Spenser? Options are Charles Lamb, Alexander Pope, Samuel Johnson, John Dryden. See, right answer is John Dryden. John Dryden called Milton as the poetical son of Spenser in his work Lives of the Poets. In the Lives of the Poets, see, what are the two colors symbolically employed throughout the novel? The tests of D'Urberville's. Options: black and red, white and red, green and red, white and green. White and red. How many lyrics are there in Tennyson's In Memoriam? Options are 132, 78, 60, 45. The right answer is 132. There are 132 lyrics in Tennyson's In Memoriam. So you know In Memoriam is one of the greatest elegies of the five elegies of English literature. These are the 21 questions of this UGC or NTA English mock test 4. On the next day, I will prepare the next test, that is mock test 5. Watch this video completely, and if many mistakes may happen in this uh, video while explaining, please adjust and suggest me and comment on this video. And also, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel, the video, and also share to your friends. Thank you for watching this video.